MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install CasaOS on your Ubuntu server. This environment makes managing your server incredibly easy, and by the end of this video you'll see exactly why. First we need to install curl to download the installation script. Use the following command. The beauty of CasaOS is its simplicity. You can install the entire environment with a single command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. The script detects your OS and architecture. It automatically installs Docker as the engine that powers CasaOS apps. Then it sets up the CasaOS services and the web dashboard. Once finished, the terminal will display your server's local IP address. Now open your web browser and go to the provided IP address. Create your admin account and you're ready to roll. As an example, let me show you how to install an app. Click on the App Store tab, choose the app you want to install and hit Install button. After a brief moment, your app will be up and running. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.